Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys this instant lock machine. If you have any questions, make sure you comment below, and also don't forget to like, share and subscribe. This is the overall video of how this machine works on straight hair. I got my hair model, and if you guys want to see how it works on different hair texture, make sure you comment below. Anything you have in specific, let me know in the comment section. The machine comes with 6 different sizes of head. The one I'm using is default size 10, and if you want to see bigger size or smaller size, also let me know in the comment section. And now let's enjoy this process.